Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are showcasing the fantastic 2 BHK flat for rent in Mahadevapura. And here the best part, it's a fully furnished flat. Come, let's go. This is a beautiful flat, and this flat you have 2 spacious bedroom, equipped kitchen and crazy living area for perfect for both family and young professions. And this flat very close to BAGAMANE Tech Park via Mall, Phoenix Mall, Single Pala Metro Station, Keapuram Railway Station and more hypermarket. And amenities like you have power backup, security, lift, water supply and car parking. In this flat, you have 2 restrooms. One is separate restroom, another one is attached restroom. Then rent for this fully furnished 2 BHK is around 38k plus 2k maintenance per month and deposit 2 lakhs. This is an excellent value in one of the Bangalore prime area. Okay guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe and share your thoughts below. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Tata, bye.